How do you fix replaced is crashing on Steam? First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties, and then in the launch options, you want to add -dx11 without spaces. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, click on this link here, and then you'll need to download and install the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And after the installation, you'll need to reboot your computer. And right after the reboot, you'll also need to download and install the latest GPU driver updates. So whether you're using the NVIDIA app or the AMD software for your GPU, you can go to the drivers section, check for updates, and download the latest ones. And then all you need to do is open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.